we have some leeks here that we're growing for the first time. We are in Eastern Ontario in a zone 5B6, and I'm actually not sure when leeks are ready. We planted these in early spring, and I'm looking at this particular one in the bed here, and I've seen that there's some leaves that are drying up on here. So I'm a bit curious to see what's happening. So let's take a look. I'm going to harvest this one and see if it's ready. So when you look at the stalk here itself, it looks pretty thick. When I planted these in the spring, they were planted from seeds, and I grew them in my basement, and when they were seedlings, maybe around 10 or 12 inches long, I planted them in the beds. So I planted them very deeply. So let's see what's happening. Now, one of the reasons why you plant leeks very deeply is because you want that white blanched stem here to really be blanch, because that's the area that we eat and cook in delicious recipes. I love leek and potato soup. Okay guys, so look at that. I would say not too bad. If I were to do this again, I think I would wait until my seedlings were a little bit taller so I can have a bit of a longer stalk here that's white. Another method you can do is you can start hilling your soil around the stem to make it higher. So if you realize that you didn't plant it deep enough, you can add soil and keep building it higher and higher, so that way this area here would also be blanched and white like this.